Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Mechanics. Super quick helpful video for any of you guys trying to find where the ESCL, that's the electronic steering control lock fuse and relay, is located on that generation Jeep Cherokee from year 2014 to year 2023. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can expect to find it. And by the way, if you need to buy guys any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out if you need anything, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that guys, all that because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos guys. Check out our YouTube channels, that's where guys you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repair. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So the electronic steering column lock guys, let's explain where you can expect to find these fuses and relays, also known as ESCL fuses and relays. Quick advice, most owners do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in that Jeep Cherokee. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Jeep Cherokee Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Very helpful video, check it out guys. What we need to do, open the hood. Lucky for us, we're working a fuse box today. That's easy to get to and most people know about that one. This is the engine. On the right side of the engine, that's on the driver's side, you see that's the main engine fuse box. Press the two tabs together, lift the cover up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse, okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse, sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always guys test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good, you end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find guys a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. Here guys, what we need to check up to 3 different fuses. Where they are located now guys. First we're talking about fuse number 56. You see this double fuse, that's 2 fuses in one, known as micro 3-blade fuse. That's the first one that you need to check. Then you need to check fuse number 58 right here. Some of those are for the electronic steering column lock, some are for the steering column. You need to check all of those, and also you will need to guys in addition check fuse number 79, this double micro 3-blade fuse right here as well. What about relays? You don't have any relays, you just have these fuses on your Jeep Cherokee that are known as relay fuses. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3-blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one, and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem guys. Thank you for watching, see you next time.